All right, we're back. We're going to live RV walkthrough. This is a Cherokee Grey Wolf. The cool thing is, again, these are RVs that a lot of dealers haven't even seen yet. Yeah. That's the back end. I was like, that's a very square RV. That was the back end we were looking at. A little slow. This one, wow, what a great price. $25,285, $215 a month. Yep. The Grey Wolf Limited, is that what it says up there?
Limited edition, yep.
Okay. All right, so let's talk about it. What do we see here?
Yeah, so you got the corrugated aluminum exterior. You got your pass-through under storage right there over your right shoulder. Nice big window right there.
Right there.
You got the steps right here.
That looks like an awning about the length of the RV itself.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, so I mean, pretty much everything that a lot of people are looking for in a camper.
Right.
Exterior-wise.
And again, this Cherokee brand is fairly new for RV wholesalers.
Yeah, that's a lot of the reason why we're doing this green screen walkthrough right now instead of actually walking through the unit.
Yeah. All right. So we'll take a look at the front of it here. See the front end. Obviously, there's for your tanks, your gas tanks, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. You got your propane tanks there. You got a power tongue jack. You can figure it out there.
All right. Looks like a little more storage there in the back.
Yep.
And yeah, let's go inside. And go Bucks, by the way.
Right.
Ohio State RV Wholesalers.
Play this
sponsor.
Thursday.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. All right. So again, we're kind of at the mercy of the people walking around this RV. Whoever's walking around this one really likes the outside of it. Looks like we're getting ready to go inside now. So here we go. There, of course, the floor plan. Got a double bunk beds in the back, or double bed bunk beds. There you go. It's easier for you to point to. You got the bathroom back there in the corner, little dinette, the sofa. You want to take over? The sofa, and
Sofa
then
there.
The front,
Queen
bedroom.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get inside and take a look at this thing. Here we go. You walk right into the kitchen area, like you do with a lot of them.
Right.
But it looks nice and open. There's like I'll see the darker cabinets. I'm like, I love this one. This is my favorite. And then I see the lighter colors. I'm like, oh yeah, I really like these colors. So I just like these RVs, period. It doesn't matter. But looking at the back, you can see up here, it looks like the bunk is open here. A lot of times I feel like that wall goes all the way to the top.
Yeah, it usually goes all the way from right above my finger there all the way to the top.
Yeah.
This gives you a little bit more airflow up there.
Right. Looks like you got your
cover there on the sink.
Look at that. It's like they can hear me. It's like we're live. Hey, spin your camera around there. Pretend like we're talking to them live. Spin your camera around and look towards the
dinette.
The dinette. Spin around there if you can. Can you hear me? Hello? No? Okay,
No.
Never mind. It's not live. That's not live. We are live.
Right,
so if you have questions, don't forget to ask. There you go. Big old stove, 3-burner.
Yep.
Yeah.
Corner bathroom.
The microwave above is
Not residential.
What's that?
It's not residential on that one. No,
okay.
I don't believe so.
Okay. And there you go. There's your double bunk.
Yep.
Like we said, it's open there on the top. It's not
If
the
you actually,
one wall.
right there, that black switch is the switch for the light. So they can control their own light up there.
Oh, that's nice.
You got your shower here, bathroom, I guess. Plenty of space in a corner bathroom.
What's the length of this one? Have we mentioned that
So
yet?
the length of this guy is 29 feet 6 inches.
Okay. So there you go. A little spots for you to put your. Some of them haven't got those little things in the corner.
Right.
I really appreciate those. You don't appreciate those little shelves in the corner of a shower until you don't have them and you don't have any place to set your stuff that you need to get to.
Right.
There we go. Another shot of the dinette with a big old window next to it. The window goes down below the table. That's pretty cool.
Yep. And that folds down into a bed too, so another sleeping space if you need it.
Okay. We've got a question coming in. Cherokee, can you get Cherokees with fiberglass exteriors? Do you know, or is it all aluminum?
So that is going to be the black label version. Anything that's black label, I believe, is fiberglass exterior.
We actually, Tim and I went up to Elkhart and had a chance to walk through. You're right. I remember the black label. We walked through a couple of them, and they were the fiberglass. I also kind of like this, even though, you know, you kind of maybe give up a little bit of privacy because you don't have a full wall there, but I like how the bed kind of, you can see the bedroom from the living room.
Yeah, it makes it feel more open.
Yeah,
you do
like
have the
right
curtain
there.
right there that you can pull across right above you.
Right
Yeah.
here. There you
Yep. You got the curtain there. You just drape that across and give you a little bit of privacy, but yeah, it makes it feel more open.
It does. I like studio. I like the look of studio apartments or houses that are really open, and this kind of reminds me of that.
Yep. You got the bedside outlets there.
Yep.
Storage for clothes. You can hang your clothes up in there. I think they have rods in there that you can hang your clothes up in.
Right. Plenty of storage above there also. Looks like some outlets on the other side, so you have room on both sides for your devices. And then there you go. There's looking back from either the bedroom or maybe even the sofa there, looking back into the back of the RV.
And right there above you on the corner at the end of the countertop, there was actually a little countertop extension. I don't know if you noticed that or not, but there's a little bit of a countertop extension.
Okay. I didn't see it, but I've seen that. We have seen those where they sometimes flip up.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's actually in the corner, so it kind of, it's not a flip up one, but it sits in the corner.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. Yeah, and for it seems like a lot of RV for $25,000.
Yeah.
A little over $25,000.
There it
$1,000,
is.
$1,000 deposit.
Right there.
This could be yours. There it is. There's the little.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool to have that there. I haven't seen where the TV is yet. I know there's a TV in there somewhere, but kind of nice just to have a place to set your Pepsi or whatever as you're watching TV.
Right.
Yeah, that's cool. There you go. I'm assuming the TV might be right there along
Right
the
there,
wall.
yeah.
But, all right. So again, these are RVs that we kind of got a chance to walk through with just a camera at least. We thought, how do we let everybody see these? We shot video, and now we're talking about them. If you have questions about them, please feel free to call. If you want one of these, please call today. Get your $1,000 down and get locked in today's price so that when you get this, when it is delivered, you pay that price, $25,285, and not what could be a much higher price by the time it's delivered.
Right.
You know,
25,
maybe not.
30.
Maybe by the time you get it, it's the same price. But man, why not be guaranteed that you're locking in the price today?
Yep.
So very cool. Very cool. I love that we're showing these new 2022s.
It's fun.
It's kind of nice seeing the 2022 up there.
Yeah.
All right, so coming up, we've got a couple quick things for you, and then we're going to talk to you about the Nationwide Service Network, which is awesome. That's coming up, and then we'll get into some more music with Taylor Swift, so let's get into it.